power.
There's no power?
Well, you don't have enough power to start your
So probably
you need to charge up the battery.
we need to charge the battery.